Prime Minister Boris Johnson has won a big majority in the House of Commons. In the election results, Conservative Party has won 364 seats out of 650. They won nearly 50 more seats as compared to 2017 election. The opposition Labour Party won mere 203 seats, which are nearly 60 less than what they got in the last election. The election result may end the political deadlock over Brexit deal, as these numbers clearly stamp the pledge of Johnson to get Brexit done, and the gamble of announcing early election is being paid off in favour of Conservative Party. Born in 1964, Johnson received his education at Eton College. Later, he joined Oxford University and was elected President of the Oxford Union in 1986. Johnson comes from a wealthy upper-middle-class British family. He is the eldest son of Stanley Johnson, who served as a Conservative member of European Parliament from 1979 to 1984. Johnson started his career as a journalist in 1987 as a trainee with The Times of London. Thereafter, he joined the Daily Telegraph and worked there from 1989 to 1994. In the year 2000, Johnson moved from journalism to politics, served as a Conservative MP from 2001 to 2008. In May 2008, Johnson was elected Mayor of London and he held the position until 2016. Johnson is known as a hardliner Brexit supporter, and in seeking the Prime Minister's chair, has repeatedly said that he would ensure the UK leaves EU on October 31 with or without a deal, and would prefer a no-deal Brexit despite economists' warning that crashing out would take a heavy toll on Britain's economy.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such updates. Like and share the video and let us know your queries in the comment section below.